pushing little children with their fully automatics. They like to push the weak around. Push them around. A tear gas, invitation to peace, war staring you in the face. Dressed in black, with a helmet, fierce, trained and appropriate for the malcontents, for the disproportionate malcontents. The little boy smiled, it'll all be well, and say a little boy smiled, it'll all be well. Pushing little children with their fully automatics. They like to